Bergen received word that it was selected from 17 U.S. community colleges for the Association of Community College Trustees U.S.-UK Community College and Technical Education Exchange. Bergen will now partner with Southport College in the United Kingdom to develop a student exchange program focusing on sustainable construction. Alongside program partners, President Eric M. Friedman attended the ACCT's Leadership Congress event in Seattle to formally confirm Bergen's participation. Much more to come on this exciting program. Hispanic Heritage Month continued throughout October with activities and events that celebrated Hispanic culture, customs, and people. Among the events, University of Pennsylvania Associate Vice Dean for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion, Dr. Vanessa Gonzalez Perez, delivered the keynote address, hoping to inspire students.
I'm very excited to connect with this audience because going to community college, the type of students that are here are really putting themselves through a lot and they're fighting hard to get what they want. And if I could just share something about whether it's wisdom or experience or stories that can really make them feel like they're in the right track and they can do this, I'm just very excited to be able to move, touch, and inspire them if possible.
In its latest workforce development initiative, Bergen celebrated the 20 graduates earning certificates in construction management as part of the NJ Build grant program, a New Jersey Department of Labor effort to integrate women and minorities into construction fields. Assistant Director of Continuing Education Jonathan Garcia said the $4 million program undoubtedly changed perceptions.
A lot of people, when they think about construction, they think about manual labor or physical labor. Our program is more geared towards the management or administrative capacity of the construction field.
Vice President of Continuing Education Cinzia Diorio said the program's incentives, including tuition, childcare, and transportation for enrollees, worked as planned.
Students are able to really focus on their coursework because we also gave them stipends and benchmarks. When they achieved a certain course or a certain certification, we gave them money to enable them to have these funds to sustain them while going to school. So we've seen that the students are able to complete in a much more succinct time and succeed because they're not worrying about the everyday living costs. We've had that covered, and we see much greater completion than we have in the past when students had to pay it themselves.
Class of 24 graduate Kaylee Casada has joined the institution's Board of Trustees as alumni representative. Casada, Bergen's former Student Government Association president, took the oath of office at the board's October 8th meeting. She will serve a one-year term through June 30th, 2025. Through the 6 Million Voices organization, Bergen had a unique opportunity for students to visit one of the world's most sacred sites, the Auschwitz concentration camp in Poland, where 1.1 million people died at the hands of the Nazis. The event featured an educator-guided tour introduced by Professor Ellen Feig, who stressed the many reasons why the event held such importance.
Hate begets violence, and so we have to learn tolerance and learn the importance of listening to one another.
Student Maria Frometa Laura has earned one of 50 spots in the Hispanic Association of Colleges and Universities Leader in Residence program. As a HACU Leader in Residence, Frometa Laura will serve as a point of contact for peers on campus curious about HACU and as a champion for the organization's mission and values by leading information sessions at the college. Bergen rolled out the red carpet to recognize faculty and staff celebrating milestone anniversaries. The annual event brought generations of faculty and staff together, including Dean of Multicultural Services and Activities, Dr. Deborah Manning, one of the dozens of honorees.
Here's to many more years of collaboration and growth as we continue to shape the future of this institution together. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Time's up for now. We'll see you next month on Studio Bergen Remix.